Sa Paco Arena. Gandang araw sa inyo, and first set is off. Praferosa sends it into the net for the first point. Another serve to Olavere, bad pass. Kainglet sets it up. Magsumbol with a block pero nakalusot yung palo. Madalugdog, serving lamang ng isa. Ang Lady Firefighters magsumbol. Cortez nagamit yung net pero a good floor defense para sa Lady Firefighters. Second touch is short.
Ang ganda ng connection ni Magsumbol sa ni Reyes. She was so far from the net but she was able to hit that ball in an angle. Kaya nagulat yung defense.
Olavere. Praferosa inangat. Sumalinog. Oh, what a nice save by Magsumbol. There's Adolfo with a hit. Reyes. That's outside. Double digits to sa panalo ng Lady Firefighters against the Suffragettes in their last game. That's gonna be on the line para kay Reyes. She got it. Second point dyan. With Marcaida, Madalugdog, and Praferosa. Praferosa for the first touch. Ito si Madalugdog, back-to-back points. Push, gumamit ng...
You get encouraged when she's inside.
Cortez, inangat. Easy over ulit. Galing kay Reyes, kay Inglet. Oh, what a nice hit there. Para kay Magsumbol. Or make that Sumalinog.
Si Sumalinog, just really having fun.
And 10-point lead para dito sa Lady Firefighters. That's gonna be...
Yeah, good serve from Magsumbol.
Go back to Reyes. Atake mula sa gitna. And that's good. Adolfo scoring her fourth point. Olavere magbabalik.
Sabi nga kanina sa timeout, di ba?
2 aces. Reyes picked up. Sumalinog. Got it.
What a hit by...
Off the service ace. 4 straight points scored by the Lady Firefighters. Reyes to Magsumbol. Yes.
Magsumbol, yan. Ang bright light. Para sa...
Ayan, inangat. Good exchange. Abellana with the left. Yes!
Abellana, hindi yun ang comfortable zone niya eh. Kaya niya kinaliwa. But when she pushed that ball, it found a spot, earning them a point.
Serve by Manabong. Yes, the cut shot there. Reyes. Sumalinog into the net.
But I'm sure makakabawi agad yan. Oh, what a serve by Reyes. Recognizing that there's an open...
Magpantay with a pass. Adolfo. Off the block and it's in. Nice block by Magsumbol and it's a 6-point run for the emissaries to take the lead. Coach Franz will call a timeout pagkatapos itong napakagandang defensive play ni Kat Magsumbol. Taking a look from a much better angle here.
Yeah, ang ganda rin ng pag-block niya kasi nung bumalik yung bola, it was...
Tigil nila yung errors na yan. Here's Adolfo. Finally, good timeout para kay Coach Franz.
That's what you want to see pagkakatapos lang ng timeout and you're the coach. That's a good setup by Josmilio. A single blocker, no problem.
Sumalinog. High serve. Reyes to Magsumbol. Cross-court shot and a side out para sa emissaries to tie the game at 12.
Si Magsumbol kasi gusto niya ng mataas na bola eh because it gives her time to go for her momentum tsaka full swing.
Abariento serving. Lamang sila ng isa dito ang DFA. Josmilio sets it. Diaz on the attack. Yes! Looking for her first points today. Abellana. Magsumbol with dig. Pasa ni Olivere. Glad to see Olivere okay after falling down kanina. Ito naman si Diaz.
Nakikita mo no? Serve.
Pagpantay, hindi aabutin para sa second touch. So another ace para kay Magsumbol.
Oh, kanina, she was the one who was able to score consecutively from the service zone. Now, ito tingnan natin. Is she gonna do it again?
Abellana with 5 points. Lahat yun galing sa attacks.
Oh.
Almost an ace.
Yeah.
Para kay Diaz. Chance ball. Pagkakataon para tapusin to. Abellana. Why not? Emissaries. Chance ball. Santa Maria with the pass.
Wow.
And Dario with a nice looking hit to start things off because of set number 3.
And that's how you want to start the third set, with a bang. Kaliwete pa itong si Dario. Mas mahirap bantayan.
Kainglet. Raferosa nasa gitna. Inangat ni Tangayan. Santa Maria overpasses, but it turns into an easy point.
Yeah. Nagsorry nga siya doon dahil nga ito sa an over-receive or overpass. It was supposed to go to Dario, but it went over the net.
Malaking kalamangan ng Emissaries in the entire game. Kainglet. Marcaida gets the side out and stops the 4-point run ng Emissaries. 4 serving 5. Madalugdog. Nice. Beautiful serve. Dario inangat. Santa Maria with an easy over. Sa gitna, Adolfo got it.
Rosa.
Adolfo, 14 na. The only player in double digits para sa parehong koponan. Dario mula sa back row. Sumalinog. Yes!
Sumalinog. Baliwala yung untog niya kanina. Because what a hit. Look at this. Nicely done. She enjoyed that.
Samantala para sa Emissaries, wala pa pong kaka-double digits. Top scorer nila sa Magsumbol with 7. And she's not even on the floor. There's a nice hit.
Yeah.
Para kay Santa Maria. Kainglet with the serve. 8 na to. Pinakamalaking kalabangan para sa Lady Firefighters. Adolfo, back row. Nice dig para kay Olivere. Santa Maria with the toss. Kainglet underhand pass. Go to Marcaida. Tangayan inangat. And nice play para kay Dario.
Oh, si Dario merong mata sa likod. Kita niya na sa corner ng Zone 5, walang tao. Zone 4, rather, walang tao. So, she put that ball there. Get those open zones sa kanila eh. Bantay na bantay nila eh.
Santa Maria, takay Dario. Splits the 2 defenders and scores.
And as I said that,
kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters, Adolfo. Short shot is good.
Yeah, that's a good cut shot there by Adolfo.
Nice block. Marcaida kontra kay Rosa and the Lady Firefighters. And that'll do it. Service ace para kay Raferosa, who finishes with 7 points in the game.